Have you ever met someone who apologizes for existing? Oh. Sorry, did I block your wind? Even an inanimate object is a threat to his confidence. So sorry. My fault, Mr. Pole. Are you okay?
And people are starting to notice his strange behavior. Sorry for standing near you. Sorry. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. What were you thinking? Oh.
Stop apologizing. Today, we fix your sorry reflex forever.
Do you apologize when someone else bumps into you? Do you say, "I'm sorry," just to fill the silence? If you do, you are suffering from the sorry reflex. Welcome to episode 196 of Grow English Mastery. While being polite is good, over-apologizing makes you sound unsure, weak, and less confident. Today, we will learn 3 powerful shifts to stop saying sorry and start commanding respect. Shift 1. Turn guilt into gratitude. Shift 2. Keep small accidents casual. Shift 3. Take ownership like a leader. Let's look at Leo's first disaster.
Where is he? He is 20 minutes late.
Mia! Oh my gosh. I am so sorry.
You are late, Leo. Again.
I know. I'm sorry. The bus was slow. I'm sorry to make you wait. Please forgive me.
Stop. This is painful. Leo sounds weak. Let's rewind.
Hey, Mia. The traffic was crazy. Thank you so much for waiting.
Oh, well, I got some reading done. It's okay.
Thanks for your patience. Coffee is on me today.
See the difference? Gratitude wins.
Part 2. Concept 1. The gratitude shift. Painful, right? When Leo says sorry, he highlights his mistake. He brings negative energy to the table. The solution is the gratitude shift. Instead of, "Sorry I'm late," say, "Thank you for waiting." This acknowledges Mia's patience. It makes her feel like a good person, instead of making Leo feel like a bad person. It changes the energy from "my fault" to "your virtue." Now, what about small accidents, like bumping into someone?
Accidents happen every day, but for Leo, a small accident feels like a disaster.
Scarlett drops her pen. Watch Leo's instinctive reaction. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I was in your way. I'm so sorry.
Stop. Why are you apologizing for being helpful?
It makes no sense.
Keep your kindness, but delete the unnecessary guilt. A simple action and a simple sentence are all you need.
Here is your pen, Scarlett.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Leo. I appreciate the help.
Notice how his energy remains calm and his status remains high.
Belongs in this space. He doesn't need to apologize for being there.
Confidence is not having no accidents. It is how you handle them.
Part 3. Concept 2. My bad. Leo was way too dramatic. He acted like he committed a crime. For minor slips, use the phrase, my bad. It is casual, quick, and very common in American English. It means, I admit the mistake, but it's not a big deal. Let's move on. Oops, my bad, is all you need. Save the big apologies for big problems. But what if the mistake is serious? Like at work?
This is a real problem. There is an error in the final numbers.
Leo is feeling the urge to beg for mercy like a child.
I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. Please don't fire me. I'm so sorry.
Professionals don't beg. They take ownership and offer solutions.
I take full responsibility for this oversight, Scarlett.
I will rectify the numbers and send the corrected version by 5 p.m. today.
Appreciate your accountability, Leo. Let's get it fixed.
He is fixing the problem instead of wasting energy on guilt.
Rectifying a mistake is the most powerful apology you can give.
You have now mastered professional communication.
Part 4. Concept 3. Accountability. In a professional setting, sorry sounds like an excuse. Leo's second response was perfect. He used the phrase, I take full responsibility. This is powerful. It tells your boss, I made a mistake, but I am fixing it. You can trust me. He also called the mistake an oversight. This is a professional word for a mistake made because you forgot to notice something. It was a minor oversight. Sounds much better than, I messed up. Let's learn some more professional vocabulary. Part 5. Vocabulary. Focus. Welcome to the vocabulary focus. Here are 3 sophisticated words to use instead of oops. Word 1. Inconvenience. A polite word for trouble or problem. Instead of sorry for the trouble, say, I apologize for the inconvenience. Word 2. Intentional. Means on purpose. Use it to defend yourself. The mistake was not intentional. Word 3. Rectify. A formal way to say fix or correct. I will rectify the situation immediately. Use these words to sound like a boss. Part 6. Conversation mini tip. Here is a quick body language tip. When you apologize, do not shrink. Many people hunch their shoulders and look down when they say sorry. This triggers a biological response in the other person to see you as lower status. Keep your chin up. Look them in the eye. An apology from a strong position is respected. An apology from a weak position is pitied. Part 7. Shadowing practice. Now, let's train your voice. Repeat after me loud and proud. Phrase 1. The gratitude. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Phrase 2. The casual. Oops. My bad. Oops. My bad. Phrase 3. The professional. I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. Great job. Your confidence is rising. Part 8. The big review. Key takeaways. Before we finish, let's lock this mindset into your brain. Here is your no sorry survival kit. 1. The gratitude shift. Don't say, sorry I'm late. Say, thank you for waiting. 2. The casual apology. For small mistakes, don't beg. Just say, my bad. 3. The ownership. In business, don't make excuses. Say, I take full responsibility. If you follow these rules, people will stop pitying you and start respecting you. Part 9. Conclusion and CTA. So, stop apologizing for existing. Start speaking with intention. Remember, turn sorry into thank you. Use my bad for small things. Take responsibility for big things. Now, I want to hear from you. What is a situation where you say, sorry too much? Is it when you reply to texts late? Or when you ask a question? Let me know in the comments. I say sorry when... If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone who is too polite. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm Scarlett. Stop saying sorry and start being awesome. See you next time.